Okay, Jason, here's the engine. Running great. I made a few adjustments on it. To start it, just have this up at top, not top dead center, I guess you could call it that. Or you can push it with the flywheel there. I'll turn on the steam. Let's say it's not up at top dead center, like there, right there on the flywheel. Just turn on a little bit of steam, just crack the steam and give it a hand turn. I found to get the belt to run smooth on it, it does have a crown here in the center of the pulley. It needs to be 90 degrees to the engine, the pulley does. So it'll run just fine in that groove there. I've made minor adjustments on it and it's running really good. I don't use these oilers at all, they're just for show. I oil it with a can on the crossslide guide. And there are grease points on it as well. Other oil points are the eccentric right there. Of course you gotta have it stopped. And oil point, that's right there. So when you plumb it in, always make sure that your plumbing makes this 90 degrees to the engine. And that belt will stay on then. Beautiful running engine, it's really nice. Hate to part with it, but it's yours. I tightened these bolts up a little bit because the wood had dried out and needed a little more tightening on them. Well, here are the blowdowns. I can't do it because it's get a glove here. I don't have a tool. Anyway, you should always have those open. This one and that one back there. That's about it.